What's up guys, it's Evan from howtosbybros, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a press handstand for beginners at home. Alright, so today we're going to be doing the straddle press handstand. So basically your feet are going to be like this and you press up handstand like that. Here, I'll show you. Just here, you're going to be like this. You're going to try your best to keep straight arms. You're going to lean over just like this. And press up. Alright. So basically, this takes a lot of wrist flexibility to be able to lean over as I did like this. I'm like right here and I'm taking off the ground. So you want to stretch your wrists a lot. Make sure that they can like take a lot of force going like that. So yeah, this takes a lot of shoulder strength and a lot of core. Alright. So the best thing you can do for this is try it against a wall. So I'll show you that right now. So how you start out is basically like the farther your feet are from the wall, the easier it's gonna be. So I'm kind of limited here, but yeah. And also how far your hands are from the wall. So if you're like this, like it's gonna be easier to just go right up, you know? Alright. So you're just gonna use the wall as like a support, and it like helps you up a lot. So say you start off, you probably start off like right here. Just practice this, do a few of these every day. Just go up, just like that. See, I have to turn my wrist because they're not that flexible. Once that gets easy, you can move up and up and up. So once you're like here, go for it. Go controlled, just like that. And then eventually you can do it here. And then eventually you can just go for it without the wall. Alright? So, yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That's how to do a press handstand for beginners at home.
Thank you so much for watching that video on how to do a press handstand for beginners at home. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm Evan's big brother, Aaron. I just want to share something really quick with you. One thing to improve your life is reading truth and taking in truth. Because how are you going to tell the truth from lies in this world? You know what I mean? So if you want to hear more about that, just click the link in the description and you'll find out more about that. But other than that, have a great day. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and God bless.